To download Google Pay 2025, start by ensuring your device meets the necessary requirements, including a compatible Android or iOS operating system. Open the App Store on your device, which is the digital distribution platform for iOS devices, or the Google Play Store for Android devices. In the search bar, type Google Pay and select the Google Pay app from the search results. Click the Install or Get button to begin the download process. Then click Open to launch the app once the download is complete. You will be prompted to set up Google Pay by adding a payment method, such as a credit or debit card. To add a card, go to the Payment Methods section and follow the on-screen instructions to enter your card details. Verify your card by receiving a verification code sent to you via SMS or email. After verifying your card, you can start using Google Pay to make payments online or in-store. To make a payment, simply open the Google Pay app, select the payment method you want to use, and authenticate the transaction using your device's fingerprint or password. It is essential to note that Google Pay uses tokenization to secure your transactions, which means that your actual card details are not shared with the merchant. This provides an additional layer of security and protection against fraud. To get the most out of Google Pay, explore the app's features, such as the ability to send and receive money, split bills, and earn rewards. You can also use Google Pay to make payments on various websites and apps that support Google Pay. By following these steps and tips, you can easily download and start using Google Pay 2025 to make secure and convenient payments.